G'day guys, Socket here. I've had a couple of questions from a few of our viewers just in relation to the car that we're using for all of these tutorial videos. And so I just want to talk a little bit about that and put up a little demo video which is actually in my video list somewhere way down somewhere, just so that you can have a bit of a listen to the system of the car, because we've been using it a lot to demonstrate how to do the tuning, but we haven't actually played a clip of how the finished tune system actually sounds. So for all those people that asked to a little bit more about the car and wanted to hear a demo, in particular Chloe Lee Dow down in Tasmania, this little demo is for you. So the car that we've been using for the tutorials is my little Audi A1 shopping trolley, a little compact thing. It's got a Dynaudio three-way system, so that's tweeters, mids and mid-bass. It's also got a Hertz sub in the rear hatch area. It's got a front sub in the passenger footwell. That's a Phase Aliante. And it's all been driven by a Helix Ultra DSP, and then it's got a couple of little Helix amps that are running some of the speakers. So it's not a crazy system, it's a lot of fun, and it's perfect for doing the tutorial videos. And so while you've probably seen a fair bit of the system through the tutorials, a lot of people have been asking about how it really sounds. So if you want to know more about the car, there's a bit of a walk around, a couple of other videos. I'll throw those links into the comments section if you want to check them out. Otherwise, here is the demo. Hope you enjoy.
Singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Drums keep pounding a rhythm to the brain. La da 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 dee, la da 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 da. Charleston was once the rage, History has turned that page,
Thanks to you, I've got a reason to.
I know I sounded crazy on the phone, telling you to meet me here. Come alone. No, I cannot wait till the morning. Left him lying quiet in our bed. All the thoughts I tried to hide, he's read. Now it's clear to me what's ahead.
So, well, there you go. Probably not the best selection of tracks to demonstrate the system, but yeah, I think you get the general idea. Like I said, I've built and tuned this car by myself, so if you follow the tutorials, you can end up with exactly the same result. So I hope you enjoyed the video. To Chloe Lee Dow down in Tasmania. Swing on by if you're ever in Melbourne. Love to catch up. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks, and I'll catch you in the next episode.